Ever felt overwhelmed by the hustle and bustle of daily life and yearned for an escape? What if the key to relaxation was right in your backyard? Gardening, more than just a pastime, is a therapeutic journey. It's about immersing yourself in nature, nurturing life, and creating beauty. This simple act of cultivation can be a powerful antidote to stress, a way to reclaim tranquility in a world that often feels chaotic. So, how can you transform your garden into a sanctuary of serenity? Let's dive in. Crafting a serene garden space begins with selecting calming plants and designing a layout that promotes relaxation. Imagine the soothing scent of aromatic lavender wafting through the air, or the gentle rustle of ornamental grasses swaying in the breeze. These are more than just plants. They're green companions, offering their own unique stress-relieving properties. Now let's consider your garden's layout. Think of it as a canvas, a place where you can paint with nature. Create quiet corners filled with soft ferns and moss, or perhaps seating areas surrounded by blooming flowers. These spaces invite you to pause, to breathe, to simply be present. Gardening is not just about the end result, but also the journey. Engaging with the soil, nurturing each seedling, watching them grow, it's a meditative practice. Each step is a moment of connection with nature, a soothing balm for the soul. But there's more to a relaxing garden than just plants and layout. Water features can add a soothing soundtrack to your garden sanctuary, enhancing the overall calming ambiance. The transformative effect of water features, whether it's the gentle bubbling of a fountain or the soft murmur of a meandering stream, can be profoundly calming. Imagine the serene sound of water trickling over stones, a subtle symphony that brings an element of tranquility to your outdoor haven. By mindfully crafting your garden, you cultivate not just plants, but a refuge, a sanctuary where the therapeutic embrace of nature can melt away life's stresses.